Good afternoon. Have you ever heard of a Cavitar welding camera? This is a camera that was developed just for doing welding videos, alright? And I saw it on the internet and it looked too good to be true. I just thought there's no way them shots are that clear. I've done a lot of welding videos over the years and it's very difficult to get shots of welds for obvious reasons. The light, sparks, smoke, all that stuff hinders you in getting quality videos. The shots this camera was putting out, as far as what I saw on the internet, looked like it was almost fake because it was too clear, right? So I ended up looking into it. I contacted the Cavitar company via their website and requested a quote. A company called Intertest got a hold of me out of New Jersey. That's who's selling them on the east coast of the United States. I don't know if that's the only one in the United States or not, but Intertest was the company that I dealt with. I had a grant opportunity. I asked Intertest to come out to my shop in Western New York, which is right on the border of PA, so it's all the way western New York. They came from New Jersey to let me actually try this camera out, and that's what I'm going to show you here in a minute. I tried the camera out, and I got some shots saved. Now, in this video, what I'm going to show you is a TIG one that came out really good. Then I did a TIG kind of walking the cup one, but this camera has a cord on it, and I kind of caught the cord a little bit, so it'll just be a brief little bit of walking the cup. And then I did one of, what was it, 70/18 3/32 diameter stick rod. So those are the three shots that I got you. They're brief. They're under, I want to say 30 seconds. I don't know if I edited them longer, maybe they'll be a little bit longer than 30 seconds, but they're going to be short clips. So what we're going to do is we'll do the good one that I did of TIG, the one that I tried to do the walk in the cup, and I got the brief stick one. We're going to show you the clarity of this camera, and it's, I can tell you it's legitimate. We didn't do a million shots. It was, they got here, I set up a TIG welder, we filmed it twice. I mean, that's it, 2 times, got 2 videos. I did do a MIG one, I didn't save it for some reason, and then I did a stick one. I was trying to get all 3 to show you, but the stick one's the hardest one to shoot anyways, because you get all the sparks and the smoke, and so we got a stick one, and that'll show you how clear it actually is, even with stick welding. So we're gonna get out there, well, we already went out there, but we'll show you these videos now, and I'll kind of narrate as I go through them, kind of what's going on, and it's the real deal. We literally filmed this 4 times for 30 seconds. So we didn't do a bunch of shots and edits or nothing like that. So we'll get into the actual welding videos now of the Cavitar camera. All right, what we got going on here is a simple T-joint in the 2F position, and you can see it is crystal clear. I was welding stainless, and it's so clear you can see my tungsten is actually dirty. This is the one I tried to do a walking the cup with, and you can see that I'm hitting the cord with my leg as I'm going across the joint. I figured I'd throw it in there. It's still pretty clear, even though the shot got kind of messed up. Here's the 70/18 3/32 diameter, and you can see it pretty good, even though we had nothing pulling the smoke off, and it's still pretty clear. And I threw in the first one again, zoomed in a little bit, and that is zoomed in and slowed down just a touch. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of how clear the Cavitar camera is. Thanks for watching and subscribing to TV Weld. I think we need to get one.